Welcome back to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week's topic, the art of effective communication. As a service advisor in the automotive repair industry, your role extends beyond merely coordinating repairs and providing estimates. Building strong relationships with customers is crucial for enhancing their overall experience and fostering loyalty towards your business. The key to achieving this lies in mastering the art of effective communication and building rapport with your customers. In today's video, we will explore some essential tips and techniques that can help you excel in this aspect of your career. Listen attentively. Effective communication starts with active listening. When a customer comes to you with their concerns or requests, make sure to give them your full attention. Listen attentively, maintain eye contact, and show genuine interest in what they have to say. This not only helps you understand their needs better, but also conveys respect and builds trust. Empathize and validate. Automotive repairs can be stressful for customers, especially when unexpected issues arise. As a service advisor, it's essential to empathize with their situation and validate their concerns. Show understanding and acknowledge their feelings, reassuring them that you are there to help find a solution. Empathy goes a long way in building rapport and establishing a positive connection. Use clear and jargon-free language. While you may be well-versed in the technicalities of automotive repair, remember that your customers may not share the same level of expertise. Avoid using technical jargon that might confuse or intimidate them. Instead, communicate in simple, clear language that they can easily understand. Break down complex terms or concepts and provide explanations in a relatable manner. Provide regular updates. Timely and transparent communication is key to keeping customers satisfied. Throughout the repair process, provide regular updates to keep them informed about the progress. Whether it's good news or challenges faced, share information honestly and professionally. This not only reduces anxiety, but also demonstrates your commitment to keeping them informed and involved. Educate and empower. Helping customers make informed decisions is an essential part of your role as a service advisor. Take the time to explain repair options, their benefits, and associated costs. Provide them with relevant details to help them understand the value of the service they will receive. By educating customers, you empower them to make confident decisions, which further strengthens their trust in your expertise. Follow up and show appreciation. After the repair is completed, don't consider your communication with the customer to be over. Follow up with them to ensure their satisfaction and address any further questions or concerns they may have. Express your gratitude for choosing your business and highlight that their satisfaction is your priority. Such gestures of appreciation leave a lasting positive impression. Effective communication is the cornerstone of building rapport with customers as a service advisor. By honing your listening skills, empathizing with their concerns, using clear language, providing regular updates, educating customers, and following up, you can create a memorable and positive experience for every customer. Remember, building strong relationships not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also contributes to long-term loyalty and success in your career as a service advisor. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.